Hi, so I've been waiting for this product. This is the Elgato Streamdeck XL. So this is the unboxing of the product, and I'll unbox it and give you my feelings and thoughts on the product itself, never having used one before but only seen them being used in other YouTube channels. And then I'll make a sequence of videos that you can watch following me use and set up this device for my needs, my purposes. So here we go, the unboxing of the Streamdeck XL. So really nice box, really nice packaging, sealed here, which I'll cut with my knife. And let's just slither the device out the box. So what do we get? The Streamdeck setup instructions, how to put it together and how to kick things off. And then, nicely packed again, nice tight within the box, is the unit itself. It's a soft material type wrap. Let's put this to one side. We have the Streamdeck itself. Lovely feel to the buttons, and what I've seen with other reviews is the stand. So the USB cable that's supplied with it in the box here, it plugs in there, and stick the stand on, pull the cable through here and plug it into your PC or your Mac. Really well made. It's plastic obviously, but it's quite a solid plastic, and it's quite a satisfying click into place. And if it sits on the desk, that's how it looks. And it's not that big at all, so let's compare it to the size of a mouse. And as you can see, it's not that big at all. And just to finish things off, so we have the cable, which is a nice braided cable and gold plated, which will plug into your PC and device. And finally there's another, which looks like another small Elgato instruction booklet, or maybe warranty booklet. So that's the unboxing of the device. Oh, one last thing here. So we have a nice film protecting, I believe, probably a nice rubberized base, an anti-slip base. And yeah, that's exactly what it is, so that when you press in, the device doesn't move. So that's the unboxing. If you like these type of videos and you like what I'm doing here, please remember to subscribe and like the channel. I appreciate it so much. It's just a new channel that I'm trying to kick off. And what I'll do is I'll continue to make videos on this device and how I set it up, how I configure it and how I use it moving forward. So one last thing, if you are interested in buying this product, which is a lovely product, I have an affiliate program with Amazon, so I'll leave the link below, and if you don't mind using that link to purchase your Elgato, if you're in the market for the XL or the smaller ones, it would give me just a wee bit of help, wee bit of commission, just to help me build the channel. Much appreciated, and please remember to subscribe to the channel to watch the follow-up reviews of how I set this device up. Thanks very much.